I want candy. But it's not the candy you eat, and it sure isn't Halloween yet. We're just here in July. This is going to be an unboxing review of the Candy Stick Vacuum Cleaner right here. These things run about $100 and gets really, really good reviews on Amazon. Non-sponsored video, sponsored by my wife and myself. We just moved into a house 3 months ago, and I don't need the big vacuum. We have no carpet in this house. We have the thin rugs, area rugs everywhere, hardwood floors and tile. So we needed something different. This here, it's like a 3-in-1, turns portable, turns stick, turns, it has some attachments. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get it unboxed and let's see how it works. All right, so we're gonna see, what it looks like, how it is. It's pretty light. The box is pretty light. All right, so we're gonna start getting it unboxed. It's supposed to have 12 to 45 minute battery life. It is non-cordless. It's battery operated only. It is a 3-in-1 ultra lightweight 4.8 pound vacuum, anti-hair wrap, powerful suction, 180-degree flat, and 150-degree left and right swivel. Hardwood floors, pet hair, you name it. And again, like I said, it's 99 bucks on Amazon. It might go on sale, maybe to 75 on Prime Day here in a few days. We'll see that. So get it out. First thing on the top one, looks like the extension pole, the vacuum itself. So there's the vacuum. You got power. Woo! You gotta have some suction. So there's an actual turbo button right here. So you push the power and then you hit the turbo and it really, really pushes it on. I wish that they had a couple more colors. I mean, the purple's all right, that purple look. This is going to be the hanging attachment. So this is what you screw into your wall for it to hang on. A cleaning brush. So it's just the end attachment right here. Power cable, because like I said, it is battery operated. And then we get the swivel base. Oh, and then you get the two sheetrock holders to put into your wall. Now, let's see, how does it go together? So you got these connections and it just snaps in just like that. Got good swivel on it right there. And then now you can actually put this attachment just like that there as it's on. And now you have that attachment there as well for your pole. And then it snaps on just like that right there. So not bad. Say hello to my little friend. But yeah, no, all in all, so far, looking good, looking good. It is a lithium ion battery. I can't get it in, but right here it says lithium ion right here. Here's the power charge right here. You got a filter on this side right here. So all in all, it's very easy to take apart, clean. Now, let's go put this thing on the action cam and see how good it does at vacuuming. All right, and for my test for the vacuum, I'm gonna put some rice and some flour on the ground and I'm gonna vacuum it up and we're gonna see how good it picks it up. Okay, so the first one, like I said, I'm gonna throw some rice down. We're gonna go ahead and get it going. See how good it picks up the rice. Picked it up really, really good. It did not sling it around. Picked it up really good, and there it is. It's in there. And that wasn't even on turbo mode, because there is a turbo mode that gives you a lot more power. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay some flour down, and we're gonna do the same thing. Like I said, there's the flour. I laid it down, and we're gonna go ahead, turn it on. I mean, it's just picking it right up. There is no splattering, no nothing. I just picked it straight up. There it is inside the machine right there, all the flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the one attachment on it and we're gonna see how good it picks up the rice and the flour with this one attachment. All right, so the last attachment ain't really an attachment. It is actually built in. It has like a little brush on the end. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also put some rice and flour on the floor and we're gonna suck it up with just the handheld mode like this right here. right, so what did y'all think of the, the suction of this vacuum? I mean, I think it's actually pretty good. So, got a couple of things. One thing that might throw you off a little bit is um, whenever you hang it, you do have a plug right here on the side, and it's not a doesn't have the contacts where you just hang it and it automatically charges. That might be a drawback for you. Me, it's not that big of a deal. I have it in between my washer and dryer. I hang it there, and it plugs right on in. Uh, I haven't seen them, but you can actually take the battery out, and it is a lithium ion battery. So you can actually take this out completely and you can charge this somewhere else, or if they sell extra batteries, you can get you another battery for this. So that's actually pretty cool on there. This attachment right here was pretty good. The only drawback or negative that I actually seen is when it's in this mode right here. When it's just in this handheld mode, it's like there's not enough suction on this one part right here. But in this, with this attachment, and of course with the stick on there, I didn't see not one problem with it. Uh, at first, I didn't actually realize that there's a turbo button right here. And the minute I hit that turbo button, I mean, that thing, like literally, it will suck everything off the floor. Anyway, let me get the battery back on. It snaps right back on. There it is. So I try to clean it as best as I can from doing the rice and flour. So you do got a couple of filters. You got this filter here, and then you got this one here. These are washable, and I mean, it does pick up dirt, as you see right there. It picks up some dirt. You can wash these. You also have inside where you're going to empty the, the crap that you pick up. This turns, and here's another one right here. Got a little vortex in the middle. So for like hair and stuff like that, it has not wrapped around it, and it just turns in and it's done, snaps back down, and then this snaps back on there. And I still, of course, I need to really clean it because I still got flour everywhere from the flour test. So again, these attachments are really easy to put on. You just hit the button, they come right back off, stick it back on, and you're good. Again, looks like you got a little weapon in your hand. Bam, 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 bam. Sorry, that's just a little kid in me. All right, now as far as the stick's pretty good. It has really good swivel on it to get underneath the couches and stuff. What's also pretty cool is back here in the back, I have a house full of girls, so I get long hair everywhere. So what's pretty cool about this is there's a little button here, and you click the button, and it pops this right out. So now you can take this out easily without unscrewing nothing. Like my big vacuum, I got to actually unscrew everything to get this out. So now I can come in and I can clean all this hair off of here. So I have a cat and I have a couple of girls. So I get a lot of hair everywhere. And then it just snaps right back in. It's just that easy. Whenever you're got it on, if you put your hand here, you don't really feel that it's really sucking, but it actually it sucks. You just don't feel the suction as much here. I'm like, man, this ain't gonna be a good vacuum. All in all, no. I mean, I really do like the vacuum. It's not going back at all. I'm gonna want to keeping it because it does what it's supposed to do. And with a house with, like, again, girls with long hair, got the cat, hardwood floors and tile. It's easier to maneuver with a stick vacuum than it is a big, huge, like Hoover or something like that. So all in all, I believe this is worth your hard-earned money here in 2025. Go ahead and check out this video right here. See if this one's worth your hard-earned money in 2025. I'm Thomas with Tomology. I'll catch you in the next one.